Want to know how to add bots to your space in Google Chat? Well, no worries. So bots or AI bots are really efficient and might help in automating tasks and much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add it to your space. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, just simply open up your Google Chat website and you should be right here. Now you can just simply open up any space that you want. So now once you have opened up your space, so I have this my own space that I have created with me. Now in order to add a bot, you can just simply select add members right here. It should be right beside share a file. So now you can just simply sort for any people or group. So you can just simply sort for AI. This should pop up by default if it's there for you, and then just simply select add right here. And now once that is done, as you see right here on the bottom, it should be added to your space just like this. Now you can just simply use it accordingly, and that's it. Super simple and easy. So you can see all of its commands and how you can simply use it, and that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.